Dear students, today we are going to start a chapter number 4, magnetic effect of current. So the current carrying conductor has some magnetic property. So that is we are going to explain in this chapter. So what is magnetic field? So for any bar magnet, the space around the bar magnet is called as a magnetic field. We are able to define the magnetic field for a magnet as the space around a magnet within which its influence can be experienced is called as a magnetic field. That means when we bring a one bar magnet nearer to the another bar magnet, it will be attract or repel based on their like poles or unlike poles. So the influence of the one bar magnet can be experienced is called as a field. That space is called as a field. So that these things are all we are studied in the lower class itself. So the Oersted experiment. So he only first identified that the current carrying conductor has a magnetic effect. How he did identify that? By doing a very simple experiment. So this is a circuit with a battery, key, and a current is flowing from positive to negative terminal. So when he keeps a magnetic compass needle, so it is a device used to identify the presence of magnetic field. When we keep the magnetic compass needle nearer to the or in the place of the magnetic field, the magnetic deflected. So the magnetic needle deflected when it is placed in any magnetic field area. Why it is deflected? Because this magnetic needle itself a bar magnet or a small pivotal magnet. So what will happen when we place in a external magnetic field? This magnet will be deflected. The same thing happening here. So the magnetic compass needle is deflected when it is placed nearer to the current carrying conductor. That is the Oersted experiment. When we switch on, when the key is closed, the magnetic needle deflected to one direction. When the key is open, that is switch off, battery switch off means the deflection comes to 0. When the current value increases, initially the 2 ampere current is given, so the deflection will be a small one. When the current value increases 2 ampere to 5 ampere, the deflection also becomes more. So when the direction of the current is changed, when the direction of, if you change the polarity of the battery, the direction of the current will flow from this direction to this direction. So the deflection will comes in the opposite direction. So the Oersted concluded that when the direction of the current is reversed, so the magnetic needle deflection also reversed. The first point he observed is when we place a magnetic compass needle in the current carrying conductor nearer to the current carrying conductor, it is deflected. That is the first point. Second point, when the current direction is reversed, the deflection direction also reversed. Then when the key is open, that means when there is a no current flows through in the circuit, magnetic needle comes to 0 position. That means no deflection. When the key is closed, then the magnitude of the deflection in the needle is directly proportional to magnitude of the current. That is, I am saying that when the 2 ampere current is closed, the magnitude, the deflection will be very less. When the 5 ampere current closed, the deflection will be more. So he concluded that since the magnetic field is deflected only in the area of the magnetic, where the place which has a magnetic field, so the needle will deflect only in the presence of magnetic field. Here in this experiment there is a no magnet presence here, only in the presence of current the magnetic needle is deflected. So he come to the conclusion the current carrying conductor has a magnetic effect. So from the above experiment he concluded that a current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around it. So whenever the current flows in a wire, what will happen? The magnetic field will be created. This is a Oersted experiment. So this is an introduction about this lesson. The magnetic effect of current. What is magnetic field? Then the Oersted experiment. The Oersted simply says that the current carrying conductor has a magnetic property. Then when the current direction reverses, the magnetic deflection direction also differs. That means the magnetic field direction also changed. When the current value increased or decreased, correspondingly the magnetic field value is also increased or decreased.